bravery, grace, spirit, and strength. The feelings the American flag evoke in its citizens mirror those felt watching a national treasure, the Space Shuttle, launch on missions to explore and discover our universe. The nation admires its flag in times of celebration, competition, war, peace, and tragedy. A few days after the collapse of the World Trade Center towers on September 11, 2001, the national 9/11 flag waved in the breeze, attached to the scaffolding of a building directly south of the attacks. Even torn and tattered, it made an impact on the Space Coast community. As local heroes stitched a Florida restorative patch to the flag at the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex on February 18th.
There's this cathartic element. Well, I could finally do something, right? I could hold the needle and thread and I could finally put a stitch in to try to make this whole, from what was taken away from us.
Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. It's the fact that it's here and that I'm here. We're both survivors.
Today, the flag is on a cross-country journey to be restored to its original 13-stripe design using pieces of fabric from American flags destined for retirement in all 50 states. Kennedy's Visitor Complex was the official stop for the state of Florida. The Star-Spangled Banner, which brings new meaning to national collaboration, has already touched thousands of lives. Aboard the USS Missouri at Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, during the home opener for the New York Giants, at Fort Hood, Texas, at the Gateway Arch in St. Louis, and at Wisconsin's Marian University. And at Kennedy's Visitor Complex, as it was raised over the Rocket Garden, where American ingenuity flourishes with rockets and capsules from NASA's Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo days.
I kind of think of America as this magnificent mosaic that's composed of all these various events in various places that make us a special country. And, our history is replete with all kinds of examples of sacrifice. 9/11 certainly is very fresh in our memories, but also here at the Kennedy Space Center.
Once complete, the National 9/11 flag will become a part of a permanent collection of the National 9/11 Memorial Museum being built at the World Trade Center site. There, America's flag can evoke a sense of pride, unity, and hunger to keep achieving greatness, just as the nation's space shuttles have for the past 30 years.